open up the champagne, pop. It's my house, come on, turn it up. Hear a knock on the door in the night.
Okay, for digital and electronic system problem-based learning (PBL), our task is as a process engineer for the factory. We need to propose the solution to the problem by designing and implementing a 2-digit temperature display system. The temperature display system can show the current temperature on 2-digit 7-segment display.
Maybe we can use the temperature sensor to sense the temperature, then send the information to display on the 7-segment display.
Temperature sensor.
Okay.
And I think this is one of good suggestion, but maybe I would suggest to use potentiometer rather than using temperature sensor, because if we use temperature sensor, maybe we need to adapt programmable IC in order to process the analog message. So now we have decided to use potentiometer as the input, and let me suggest how we are going to solve this task. Okay, as what we have learned, in order to design this system to solve the problem, we need to do it in 3 separate ways, which are input, system, and output. From here, the temperature sensor will give analog value. And here I will decide to convert this analog value into digital value by using a device called ADC, which stands for analog to digital converter. And here we can get an 8-bit binary values. However, binary value cannot be shown on 7-segment display. So what we need to do is to find the system which can connect to binary to BCD encoder converter and attach it to BCD to 7-segment decoder, and only then we connect it into a 7-segment display.
Why we need to use 2 different 7-segment display? Why not just use one only?
Okay.
Display 2 number.
Yeah, a good question. I have considered this condition also while designing these systems. This is because through ADC, the output in 8-bit binary values cannot be separated at here, which means we cannot connect 2 binary to BCD converter like this, because 8-bit binary value won't direct convert into BCD. While we are studying about digital values, we need to convert binary to decimal number first, only then we can change separately at the output part. And I will try to design the circuit by using software, and I will show you all about this design in our next. So this is the circuit that we have designed. This is the input part, which will get analog input into ADC, and 8-bit binary value come out from here and go into 3 binary to BCD converter. And for this part, independent BCD value will go into BCD to 7-segment decoder, and the value should be able to display on these 2 7-segment display.
Why we need to use 3 converters? Why not 2 converters?
Alright, from previous discussion, what we have discussed is we cannot connect 2 binary to BCD converter directly into ADC, because it will give wrong value in the 7-segment display. So we start to do the simulation. However, the system shows us these errors, which we found hard to configure it out, whether what is the model specified required. The simulation is failed. I think some further actions we need to take in order to recover this situation.
We found the problem, so we need to identify the problem and find the solution for why the troubleshooting in this program. And I think we need to do something more research and study a lot about the material and component that suitable need to choose, and maybe we need to use the reference from libraries or others.
Yeah, I think we should do some more further research on it.